Hola familia, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for all the continuous love and support. I truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. We're growing, we're getting there. Thank you guys so much. If you are new here to my channel, please don't forget to hit the little subscribe button you see on right around there or there. I don't know, I'll post it right there. And don't forget to also hit the notification bell. That way you are aware of when I post anything that has to do with beauty, lifestyle, self-care, all that good stuff. You will get notified. So just make sure you do that. And also, of course, like always, I do want to take some time to send my love, positive vibes, blessings to everyone. I hope that you guys are all staying safe and healthy as much as possible. And lastly, before I get started on the title of the video, I just want to take some time to appreciate how adorable my shirt is. It's little baby Yoda, and he says me when my song comes on. So it's like, that's how I feel. I've had such a crazy week this week. I've been really stressed. School, work, YouTube, everything is kind of like getting to me. I have so many other personal things that I want to share with you guys. So just stick around. I have a lot to talk about and, you know, all good things, but it's just been crazy lately. So it was nice today to get home, and I did see that I had this marvelous box waiting at my door, and that is Boxycharm. Now, I had no idea the box was going to be here today. They never sent me an email. They never sent me anything. It just appeared. I'm not complaining about it because it did make my day a little bit better. So, if you don't know what Boxycharm is, this is actually premium. I don't even know if I said that already. This is the premium box, which means it is a $35 monthly subscription. It has items anywhere from 6 to 7 full-size products that can be beauty, makeup. They've been throwing in a couple little home things, like personal items for yourself as well. And the minimal retail of the box is usually supposed to be minimal $175. This is the premium one, not the base box one. I have not received that one yet, but if and when I do, I will make sure to make a little video for you guys. So let's go ahead and just like jump right into it. I'm already out of breath. I talk so fast. I'm sorry. I know I have to work on that. But anyway, this is what the box looks like. Let's go ahead and open her up. Oh, okay. There we go. And there we go. And what I see off top, which I'm really excited about, is that it does have a little card. If you watched any of my other videos, I think the last 2 months I have not received a card. This is a card that every box comes with. It tells you what's on there, what's going to be in the box, how much it retails at, and what the item is for. This box looks like it is number 52. And I usually do tell you guys the weight because some people do want to know that. But I did not receive an email, so I cannot tell you guys the weight. I'm so sorry. If they do send me something, I'll put it down in the description box. But the name of this theme, whatever, yeah, the theme is called Sunshine. So yeah, it's definitely like a summer box. It's a July box, obviously. However, it's just been such a crazy summer that it doesn't even feel like it's summer. But all right, let's just jump straight into this. First product I see, I already know, I feel like I'm gonna love. I'm super excited about it. This is from Saturday Skin, and it looks like this one retails at $30. And basically, it's a pore clarifying toner. It helps smooth and refine your skin's appearance with an effective dose of 10% is it glycolic or glycolic? Glycolic acid. Anyway, it is a toner. I love Saturday Skin. I actually came across them. I don't know if it was through FabFitFun or Boxycharm, but I really like the products a lot. Oh, how cute is the packaging? And I love the packaging because everything's like a light pink, matted pink. It's really pretty. So this is what this bottle looks like. And like I said, yeah, it is a toner. So it just says that you apply it gently to your face once your face is cleansed, of course, and you can use it 3 to 5 times a week. So let's go ahead and smell this bad boy. Okay, here we go. Finally got it open. I should have grabbed like a little cotton pad or something. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand just to kind of see if the, okay, you know what? It doesn't really have too much of a smell. I thought that it was gonna have something. It's not very sticky. It's just like your typical toner. It smells clean. It doesn't smell like anything extravagant, but I just do know that this is a very good brand. So if you guys have not tried anything else of theirs, definitely try it out. I really like it. And I do believe, I'll correct it if I'm wrong, but that they are everything that I like, which is, hold on. Let's look that up. Hold on, baby. Saturday. Alright guys, I just wanted to look that up really quick because it didn't say on the card on here, but it is vegan and cruelty free. So I remember that it is something that it did stand out because the products speak for themselves and I really like them, and it just makes it better that it's cruelty free. So anyway, moving on here, we have something by the brand Cuccio Natural Luxury Spa. This looks like it is a milk and honey cuticle revitalizing oil. It's different. I've never seen this in a Boxycharm before. This one retails at $18, and basically from my understanding of it is literally an oil for your cuticles. I know times have been rough for everyone. Everyone's either getting their nails done, actually not getting their nails done, or getting their nails done by themselves at home. So I think this is actually kind of cool. The packaging is nice. I like this though. It reminds me like a little perfume bottle. See, that's what that one looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and test it out. Put it on my cuticles. My nails, don't mind them. They are looking rough right now, but it is what it is. Oh my gosh. Oh shit. Okay. Wow. Yo, this smells amazing. I really like this. I've never actually had any cuticle oil, but it's nice because it actually does soften it up. And if you do cut your cuticles, it will help so much, make it softer. But yeah, this smells amazing. It literally does smell like honey and milk together. It's amazing. I really like this. I know for a fact that I will be using this because yeah, I need to do something with my nails, and I think that that's the perfect product. So really excited about that. Something different than Boxycharm, which is nice. Moving forward here, we got something by the brand Nelson Beverly Hills. This says it's a moisture healing mask. I believe this is for your hair. This retails at $24, and yeah, it says this argan oil 7 moisture healing masks. So this is hair treatment for color treated, dry, or damaged hair. It helps detangle, controls frizz, prevents hair color. Of course, I have my hair up today. I wish I would have known I was getting this in the box, but it's all gravy, baby. Let me go ahead and open this up and see what it smells like. Okay, so it's just white. It's a white cream texture. It is definitely tacky, but it smells amazing. Jeez, what is in here? What? I have no idea, but it says moisture healing mask to towel dried hair and leave it in hair for 1 minute, then rinse. Oh, so you're supposed to rinse this. That's good to know. But anyway, I'm still gonna go ahead and put it in my hair because it's already in my hand. It smells phenomenal. It smells like, I don't know, like when you go get your hair done and they use all the good stuff. This is what that smells like. So I'm excited about that. All right, now I see something in this box that I was super excited about because I had seen it being, I guess, promoted for Boxycharm. And this one looks like it's Morphe featuring Manny MUA. It's the Glam palette. This one retails at $20. And it's a mirrored palette with up to 12 wearable eyeshadows. Yeah, so I really wanted to keep this, but I'm just thinking ahead. I know like I have palettes and everything like that, and I'm gonna open it to show you guys, but I'm letting you guys know right now, I'm not swatching it. I'm going to go ahead and put a picture up right around here so you guys can see what the colors do look like, because I am saving this for my 1K giveaway, which I'm hoping will be sooner than later, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But yeah, no, I'm kind of excited, guys. I just passed my 500 mark not too long ago. Really been working hard to try to keep this this YouTube thing going for you guys. So let me know what you guys want to see. But anyway, back to the palette. This is what she looks like. It's really cute. I'm gonna try to not touch anything. Oh, there it is. Okay, so it comes with that little mirror, and these, hold on. And these are the colors. So it is really pretty. It does have 2 highlighters. One's like a pinky peach color, and the other one is definitely more golden. It has some shades that are beautiful. Like this one that's called Scorpio, Aries, and Cancer. Beautiful. I just feel like I don't, I'm not trying to be greedy. I want to share what I got. Sometimes it's nice to just, share. And I'm going to, like I said, be giving this in a giveaway. So I'll put that aside later. But anyway, yeah, I'll be putting on the giveaway. So I'm moving on to the next item, which I'm excited for. So this one is by a brand called Brow Bar. Yeah, actually I did say that right. It's called Brow Bar by Rima. This is the Hollywood Icon Face Kit. This is what this package looks like. It is a whole face palette. I believe that there's eyeshadows, I think blush. Before I get to that, let me just go ahead and let you guys know that this one retails at $45. This is really pretty. It's like a gold packaging. Ay, qué lindo. This is so pretty. I want to say that it just reminds me of the whole summer vibe thing, but like I said, the summer's just been bananas lately. So the golden tones in this are so pretty. I want to say this has a mirror. I think this is a big mirror, but I just have to peel the little thing off of it. But this is the packaging right here. I mean, the packaging of the palette right here. Look how pretty that is. So from my understanding, this one is a, ooh, light. Okay, this one is a setting powder. This one looks like it is a blush. These two are 2 different highlights. One's like a little bit lighter shade than the other. And I believe that these are all eyeshadow. It looks like you have like 3 or 4 mattes and 3 little shimmer ones. So I'm super excited. I'm gonna go ahead and just do like a little quick eye thing just to see what I can come up with and see how these products do perform. All right, and let's see really fast what I can come up with. Alright guys, I had to jump off camera really quick because I did want to put on some lashes. I didn't do anything different to the eye look. I kept it the same, but I do want to go ahead and show you some swatches and make a couple of little corrections because I got so excited with the palette that I just went straight for it, not realizing that some of the eyeshadows I put on my eyeshadows are actually supposed to be blushes. The cool thing about this is that it's a palette. You could do whatever the hell you want with makeup, so I just created my own little look, but turns out that you have here your translucent powder, your bronzer. These two peachy ones are supposed to be blushes, and then you have 4 shadows and 2 highlights. I literally mixed and dabbled in a little bit of everything. I will go ahead and say it's absolutely beautiful. However, I did notice that like the actual ones are supposed to be for eyeshadows, like on the underneath my eye or whatever, it kind of took a little bit of pressure to kind of get it. I wish that I could use my finger, but I actually just wanted it right under my eye, so it does make it really hard to actually put on. But the shades are absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and show you here. Actually, I'll just do like this way. This is a translucent powder. This is supposed to be the bronzer, and then the next 2 are the blushes, and then the last ones are the eyeshadows. I hope that you guys can really get to see that because the lighting is a little bit different. And then here I did both highlights. So this is the lighter one and that was the darker one. The highlights are absolutely beautiful. I did put some in my inner corner. I'm going to go ahead, just for I guess shits and giggles, just go ahead and grab my little blush brush and dig into this one just to see. Oh yes, me acabo la luz. Hold on. Just to see what it actually does look like. It's gonna be too orange, and it literally matches like my headband, which is so funny. Okay, yeah, it's not bad. Okay. Yeah, no, it's a little bit like orange, like terracotta color, but it's really pretty. Actually looks prettier on than what I thought. And then I'm gonna go ahead and dig into this one right here, that lighter highlight. I'm gonna put a little bit on. Okay, I gotta say the highlight is really pretty. I could totally see that. Just to see, let's go ahead and put up a little bit of the other one on, the darker one. And it definitely darkens it up. It makes you more golden, more bronzy. Like I say, it's perfect for the summer, but you know, what are we gonna do? So absolutely love this palette. I just do think that you need to put the the shadows where they belong on your face, and it might work a little bit better. But overall, I love that. And last but not least, we have this over here. This is called Folly Fire. Well, that's the name of the brand, and it's called the Matte Manipulation Trio. This one retails at $39.99. These lipsticks better be bomb. So it looks like it is a little trio. This is the packaging. It's super cute. I've never heard of this brand, but I'm excited to try it. It looks like from the back there's going to be, yeah, these are the shades right here. So they're going to be a little bit on the darker side. I'm going to go ahead and swatch all 3 of them for you, and let's see what you guys think. So this is the packaging. It looks like it's like a little matte plastic bullet. Wow, that is mad dark. Okay, so that's definitely like a dark burgundy. I'm gonna go ahead and put the swatch right here, whatever, but that's what that one looks like. Next up, you have this one. Is called Here to Slay. Same packaging, and that's the color right here. This one definitely looks like it's more redder. Ooh, this is a pretty red. That is that one right there. And then the last one we have here is in the shade Sunset Boulevard. This one looks like it's more purple tone, but let's see. Oh no, actually not really. There you go, look. Ooh, this is definitely my color right here, and that's that one. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put one of these on my lips just to kind of test out the texture of it and all. Let me go ahead and line my lips up really quick. Okay guys, so there she is. She's actually a little bit more pinker than I thought. It's like a Barbie-ish pink. I thought it was going to be more nude, but yeah, you could definitely see the pink. I don't know how good it really looks with this eye look, but I just kind of picked one that I thought would be the best one for it. Like I said, the shades are really, really pretty, and I don't know. Let's move forward. I want to see what the total of this box is because I believe I have all the items now. So give me 1 minute. I'm going to go ahead and add everything up. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So I am back. After doing the numbers, they came out to, I just wrote it down and I seriously forgot it, $177. It's $176.99, but whatever, $177. This box did come with 6 products. Like I did mention earlier, the box is supposed to be 6 to 7. I personally feel like they could have done a little bit better on this month's box. It's like literally right where it needs to be. I don't know what's going on with Boxycharm lately. They just kind of been doing their own thing, not letting you know things, running late, not sending cards. I understand things are going crazy right now, but shoot, we're still paying for this, so you know, we want it to be on point. However, However, it is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and run through really quick what I love about the box the most. And my number one for me is definitely the palette. I feel like if you take time to figure out a nice little creative look, you can come out with so many different things, and it's nice that you can take this with you and you can use it for basically your whole entire face with that little palette. Number two, I definitely have to go with my Saturday Skin. I love their products. I think they're great. Animal free, cruelty free, vegan, all that good stuff. Definitely love this one. The cuticle oil is bomb. It smells amazing. I know it's gonna work wonders for me. The next one I would definitely have to go is with the Morphe and Manny MUA palette, but like I said, I'm not swatching it. I will go ahead and put it up there again for you guys. That way you guys remember what it looks like and it could potentially be yours. So don't forget to subscribe. And then I would move on to the lipsticks. The lipsticks are pretty. They're definitely not my shades particular, but I think it has a really nice texture on the lips. They're not too sticky. They're kind of silky. So I like it. I don't like the shades, but I love the way it feels. So yeah. And last but not least is the hair one. I suck at doing anything that has to do with my hair. That's why they're always in bandanas or up or in bows or whatever I could possibly do for me not to do my hair. But I do love the way this one smells. So overall, we do have great products. I just kind of wish it was a little bit different, you know? But it is what it is. What are we gonna do? We can't win them all. What do you guys think of the box? Let me know. Share your thoughts. And tell me what you guys got in your box as well. I'm super curious. Like always, thank you guys for all the love and support. I really, really do appreciate it. And yeah, just stay tuned. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Muchísimas gracias. Have a great day. Ciao.